Osmo's Coding Awbie is an iPad app that lets you use tiles to program your Awbie to collect fruit and have adventures. To control your Awbie, you place a special camera on top of the iPad and put the iPad on a stand. Then you place the tiles in front of the iPad and let your Awbie go. Let's take a look at some of the tiles we can use. This tile tells the Awbie to walk. The arrow can be moved to show the direction you want it to go. This arrow shows right, so the Awbie will walk right 1 square. If we want the Awbie to walk up, we point the arrow up. If we want the Awbie to walk left, we point the arrow left. If we want the Awbie to walk down, we point the arrow down. You could add number pieces to the tiles to change the number of times something happens. Here, we are telling our Awbie to walk right 4 times by placing 4 walk tiles together. Or we can use the yellow 4 piece with 1 walk tile to make Awbie walk 4 times. This tile will make the Awbie jump to the right 1 space. When we place our tiles together in a stack like this, we tell the Awbie to start at the top and work its way down. Here we say walk 1 space right, walk 2 spaces up, and jump 1 space to the right. We can use the loop tile to make Awbie repeat things. Here we are telling him to walk up 1, jump right 1, 3 times. Walk up, jump right, walk up, jump right, walk up, jump right. Awbie repeats the stack 3 times because of the yellow 3 piece added to the loop. Now let me show you the Awbie in action. To get started playing, I need to make sure that my name is at the top of the screen. I see my name at the top, so I'm going to click play. We start off with a story. I have instructions telling me to use a walk right button. When the button appears, I press on my Awbie, and he moves 1 square. Now I want to turn to go down, and then click on my Awbie. The iPad tells me how to get started, but eventually these tips are going to go away. I don't want to run into that tree, so I better walk down. Click on the Awbie. Still don't want to run to that tree, better walk over. I want to move over more than 1 time, so I can add another tile to walk 2 times. Or I can add a number. Now I want to walk up. And let's go 3 times. I don't want to go into that water. I want to hop over those lily pads. Let's walk across the lily pads. Oh no! I didn't make it far enough. I should try 3. Thanks for the tip, iPad. I made it. Now let's go down. You notice that the squares that I'm going to walk to are highlighted. Here I have 3 squares. 1, 2, 3. Is that enough? Let's find out. Oh no! 3 squares wasn't enough. I better try 4. I made it. Looks like I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Now let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the right. Will I make it? Yay! I made it! What happens when I get to the box? I get a prize. And that's how we control our coding Awbie.